Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have a project share for you guys today. I was in a swap in a Facebook group and we were to make a flip book with envelopes. So we did follow a certain tutorial, and I will link that tutorial in the description box so you can see what I was aiming for. So we were to make the book and then fill it up with goodies. Of course, it's flat, so there isn't much that fits in there. I went with traditional because I believe that is what everyone was going with. So this is what I came up with. It does have a closure, and I used some twine. I put a little key at the end of the twine, and it just wraps around the book. And I used some Halloween paper that I've had I think 2 years. These are the stickers from that Halloween paper, and this is a sticker as well. So I used some trim right here and some bling. I used the hand. This time I did not paint it. I put a bow here on the side or on the top, 3 loops, and then I put a flower right in the center. So when we open it up, here is what it looks like once we open it up. Here's the witch flying, in front of the moon, so it's the silhouette. So I open it up this way, and here are the spooky trees, and I just put a sticker here that says trick or treat. And then again, this is a border sticker, and then it opens one more time, and there are some more trees this time with a blue background. And then it opens, flips the last time, and it's got some more blue trees or blue background trees with some more stickers. So inside each pocket, we were to fill it with something. So I sent her some green sheer ribbon. And then for this pocket, I sent her some die cuts. That's what that contains. And then on the next pocket, I have included, some of the girls, aren't they gorgeous? These have been in my stash for a hot minute, but I figured I could get her started on Christmas, and so I sent her those. And then in this last pocket, I sent her some bling, some flat back pearls. And I had to take everything out of packages because it was just way too bulky with packages, except the girls. And then it just closes. Let me show you the back, what the back looks like. That would be the back. And then we simply flip it back to close it. Where's my, there we go. And then this wraps around the envelope. There we go. And it closes back up. So this is what I've made her, but I didn't feel like, that was enough. I wanted to send her a little extra. So I made her a little box with the, this one has a belly band. It has got the diamond dots in here. So I made a belly band, and I just put one of the little coffins, and then I used the paper for the background, or to mat it. It's got a piece of lace here and spider web and a little cluster of flowers, and it has got a sticker right in front of the coffin. So I didn't want to make it too spooky because, I'm just not into spooky this year. And I also made her a couple of boxes, and I know I showed these to you. These are the ones that have the washi tape in it. So there's that one, and I don't remember what I put in this one. This has been made for a while now. Oh, I put pom-poms in here. I put a lot of pom-poms in here. It is filled with pom-poms. So that is what I sent her as extras. But this is going to be a we live in the same town. So I am going to hand deliver this swap. I have swapped with her before, and she works at Michael's, and I have you know, I have taken her a swap before. We've hand delivered our swaps, but so I didn't want to just throw it into a bag and say, here you go. So what I did was I went ahead and made her a bag. So this is, I decorated a bag for her. And again, I used the paper from the Halloween paper that I had, and I stickled these three are from Kimmy Murray's download that I had purchased. So I went ahead and put her here, her cauldron, and then a black butterfly flying. And the background paper is the one that I used from what I had. I put some lace on the top, and then a black bow with a black flower, stickles, and then there is my tag. And then on the bird, I did stickle some of the branches. I stickled around the bird, around the moon, and then I put glossy accents on the crow or whatever those blackbirds are. So this is how I am going to deliver her swap, because I didn't want to just throw it into a bag and say, here you go. I went ahead and tried to make a pretty bag. So that is my swap to her, and I really hope she likes it. And I'll show you what she sent me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.